Welcome back. It's Tuesday morning, day 2 at the Ogilvy Fuel Conference here at the International Conference Centre in Kyoto. I'm joined this time by Professor Adrian Cheok, who is from the Graduate School of Media Design at Kyoto University here in Japan. Adrian, welcome and thank you very much for joining us at Ogilvy TV.
It's great to be here.
Augmented reality, it's a huge topic. What's the headline?
If I'm looking at going beyond vision and sound into the into other senses of our body, because I think they're very important. So, for example, touch. Now we can't really touch people through the internet. So I want to make I'm making devices that you can touch and hug each other through the internet.
It's a scary world. I mean, can you still raise emotions if you can't touch people?
Well, I think one thing they've shown is that the touch and taste and smell trigger a lot of emotion and memories for us. So that's why I think it's important to bring these senses into the communication. So, for example, we can send someone a taste message. You could send someone a sweet message, and combining with text and video, but the sweetness gives another level of emotion to your message.
Are there any clients that are using this type of technology and what you do from the Media Design School in a commercial sense at the moment?
Actually, we've been doing a project with NEC, which is a big electronics company, and slowly but surely we're seeing more what we call haptic or touch devices coming out to the market. And related to advertising, smell and taste is a very powerful way to trigger emotion. So I can imagine you have billboards which emit smell, personalised smell in the future. This will be, I think, very big in advertising as well. In the 70s and 80s, the model of the mind was like a computer. But now with the neuroscientists being able to scan people's brain in real time, we realise that the mind is much more complex. Your body affects your thinking, and also a lot of thinking is done on subconscious level. And I think in the future, what we're aiming for really will probably be direct brain interface. Not invasive, I think people don't want to stick things in their brain, but already there's some work in the neuroscience field where we can put magnetic coils and trigger specific neuron areas of the brain.
How long before we start to see this pervasively in everything we do?
Well, I think for the touch, it's already coming. We're seeing more and more haptic devices, and we see even commercial devices now. And then for the taste and smell, that might be a few years off.
Thank you very much. This is Professor Adrian Cheok, who's joined us from the Graduate School of Media Design at Kyoto University here in Japan. Thank you for joining us today, Professor.
Thank you very much.
Day 2 at the Fuel Conference at the International Conference Centre in Kyoto.